Okay, my design philosophy. Let's go. I've traveled 8,500 miles to figure out what my relationship with design is, and I have every reason to believe it's a constantly evolving ideology shaped by the people I read, technologies I use, and design. So, what is design to me? Design is not just a profession to me, it's a way of living, a calling that drives me to serve others and make real impact in the world. As a designer, I specialize in humans. Understanding the human connection is crucial to designs that are truly effective. Everything from how humans think, reason, and plan to their physical existence and action in the world influences the design process. That's why I'm not afraid to get my hands dirty, building physical mockups and prototypes to better understand the needs and wants of the people I'm designing for. Situational understanding of complexities that arise in real world scenarios is learned through immersing oneself in the context and, as such, is placed on a pedestal when it comes to the ways I acquire knowledge. Learning is only meaningful if I can take the ideas I've cultivated and execute them. As a tech positivist, I'm convinced that technology has the potential to improve our lives, but this requires using it in an intentional and purposeful manner. Choosing battles based on my current skill level and expertise while growing stronger to tackle the wicked demons is essential to this process. But what truly motivates me as a designer is creating designs that embody something meaningful. The Silicon Valley ideology of make the world a better place resonates as I seek to improve upon it and strive to create designs that empower people and bring dignity to their lives while also maintaining the tenets of doing the least amount of evil. At its core, I want my designs to motivate action and inspire others to pursue noble causes that make the world a dignified place for all. My philosophy as a designer revolves around learning, doing, and impacting. By staying true to this philosophy, I hope to see my ideas take shape and mold into something truly extraordinary.